Come. Let me teach you how to cut a perfect armhole. Let me teach you the formula how to cut a perfect armhole. This is how we say you go cut armhole. Your armhole will look like all those pretty skirts they wear go school, those secondary school pretty skirts. It goes skews. Come, let me teach you the formula. Oh, yeah, follow me. All right, Usunobun. They have what two major ways of getting armhole. One, the biceps. Then two, the shoulder. Now, the bicep and the shoulder, these are two formula for getting your armhole perfectly. Now, if you want to get your armhole, come. Let me show you the formula. Now, if you want get your armhole, if you want to get your armhole by the bicep, this one, that the bicep, mozo. Now you know. Now your no say now they call am mozo. Your mozo. When you make sure then whatever he give to you with your 2 hand free, I will order my video. I will drop how to take your bicep measurement, your shoulder measurement, and other part of measurement. So look at it, bicep, whatever you get, divide it by 2. Now, if you have 14 as your bicep, for example, we have 14. That means it's going to be 14 divided by 2, which is 7. That is your bicep. Now, you will now add your sewing allowance, just the allowance you are going to use to sew it. Now, the allowance you are using to sew it 1 inch or 1.5, depends on how you are going to use it. Either you are using your 1 inch allowance or you're using your 1.5 allowance. So when you are using your 1 inch allowance in your bicep, then it will also go well. But when you are using your 1.5, it will also go well. So now we are using 1.5 or 1 inch allowance. Right, come, look at it. This is your shoulder. Now look at this place now. This is how to get your bicep now. If this one, look at the way I measured it now, you are getting from year to year now is 7. Then you add your plus 1, which is will now give us 8 or 8.5. So we are using 8, for example, as my sewing allowance. Here will now be what? 8. So if I'm using 8 here, Usunobu, come, let me teach you something. If you are using 8 here, then look at how to dip your shoulder. Bring it, come, let me show you. The deepness of your shoulder should not be more than 1 inch. Take note, the deepness of your shoulder should not be more than 1 inch. It should not be more than the depth should not be more than 1 inch. And when you are getting your depth, here divide by 2. Here divide by 2. So when you are dividing this place, the center of it is going to be your depth. Do you see now? It's going to be your depth. So it should not be more than 1 inch. Come. This is how you curve. This is how you get your. This is for the bicep.